Hey there, Rebel. Today I'm walking you through 5 top tips to help you select the right products for your niche. So let's get started. These are some very essential tips for helping you select the right products for your print-on-demand niche. Choosing the right products can make or break your business, so I'm going to help you start off on the right foot by making sure that you are really selecting the best practical products for your target audience. And to start us off, tip number 1 is all about understanding your audience. So first and foremost, you want to know who they are, what they need, and what they value. Create detailed customer personas to identify your ideal customers' preferences, pain points, and buying behaviors. The better you know your audience, the better you can choose products that are going to effectively work for them and help them solve those problems. The better you know your audience, the better you can choose products that are going to resonate with them. Number 2, you want to analyze market trends. Figure out what's going on in the world around you, especially the world concerning your niche. Keep an eye on what's popular in your niche by searching Google Trends, Pinterest, social media, as well as other industry reports like maybe Ahrefs or SEMrush. Do your research. Look for emerging trends as well as opportunities that are really going to set you ahead of the curve. Look for products that are in high demand but low competition. This is going to make sure that you stay ahead of current trends and cater to your current customers' interests. Number 3, you want to evaluate the product's quality as well as customization options. Quality matters. Evaluate the quality of your print-on-demand products. And the only way you can really truly do this, honestly, is by ordering samples. That way you have a physical first-hand view of the quality of your product, from the material to how it's made to how the printed design actually works. Before you order a sample, do your research and make sure that you are ordering a product that offers durability, excellent print quality, and a range of customization features. High quality products is going to lead to good customer reviews, meaning happy customers and boosted brand awareness. Number 4, you want to consider your profits and your pricing. Profit margins are essential. You want to make sure that when you are designing and pricing your products, you're actually going to make money from that product sale. Consider the cost of the product, as well as the production cost and shipping and even service fees that you might run into depending on which e-commerce platform you are selling your print-on-demand products on. So make sure you are setting competitive pricing that covers all of those bases and ensures you actually are earning a profit. So make sure you are aiming for a balance between comfortable customer prices and profitability for your own business. And tip number 5, I think, which is very crucial, especially to beginners which might suffer from shiny object syndrome, is starting with a focused product line. Rather than offering a wide range of products right from the get-go, begin with a few key items that really align with your niche. This is going to allow you to manage your inventory effectively, as well as see what your customers are liking and what they're not. And then it will give you a better perspective on what you might have to adjust based off of your customers' feedback. And then as you grow, you can expand your product's range effectively. So there you have it, 5 tips to finding really niche-focused products. by understanding your audience, researching market trends, evaluating product quality, considering your profit margin, and starting with a focused product line, you'll be well on your way to selecting your niche-focused products for your ideal target audience. If you're still searching for a niche or maybe need a little bit of inspiration when it comes to those niche products, I have my 50 print-on-demand product and shop ideas ebook linked for you down below, as well as a blog post where I share even more ideas and inspiration for you. So check that out. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell me what niche you're thinking about, and maybe I can give you a few tips. See you later, Rebel.